Hi, it's Brad. Welcome back to Craft Stick Crafts and Craft Stick Bending. So this is a table display, show and tell. So what we have here are some normal sponges, and they're pretty stiff right now, but if you add water to them, they become soft, they expand, and they're bendable. And that's the exact same principle that we use in craft stick bending. So these were very large type craft sticks. We soaked them in water and we bent them around a 2x2 with a great big clamp. But where we're going with this is to teach people how it is to soften crafts, woods, and instead of where the shop of the past was cut, carve, sand, drill, sand more, finish a truck with all sorts of big shop tools and the shop. Now the option is that you can bend, mold, shape craft sticks and make a whole new line of little wooden toys and crafts and gifts. And this one even has a extender hitch for when the lake's really low. And wooden hinges. So the point here is that shops of the past were large, big steel, heavy, lots of space taking. They take a lot of space. So that was the wood shop of the past. The wood shop of the future can just bend and mold and shape. Not quite 3D printing, but I think it actually has some more applications in 3D printing. You really get your hands in the work and get that eye-hand coordination going with kids, young adults. So this is a wooden steel. And that looked really good as a great big support bracket for a beam. Anyhow, welcome to my world. Thanks for your patience.